Let me show you how you can add your WhatsApp link to your Instagram bio using your iPhone or Android so people can message you directly. For that, first you open up your Instagram and head over to your profile. Now hit the edit profile button and now go for add link option. Now choose add external link and from this URL field type wa.me/ your country code, like I'm giving one, it's my country code, and then give your WhatsApp number. And now you can also add a title and hit done. Now go back to your profile, your WhatsApp link should show up right here. Click on it and you will see a WhatsApp page pop up. It will ask if you want to open WhatsApp. Go ahead and select open. And boom, you are in your chat. Isn't it really cool? I hope this guide helpful. Like the video and subscribe for more tips.